Welcome back, guys. This tutorial is only for the Halloween portion of this look, but I will post the tutorial for this look in the description. Thank you. Okay, so I'm starting off with just a clean sheet of Kleenex and some school glue to apply it. Take the school glue and apply it around your lip and chin as if it's a goatee. Now take a strip of the tissue and apply that to where you glued. Once you've placed the tissue on, you're going to go around and cut or tear it so that it looks a little jagged. So now what I'm doing is taking a piece of cotton and I'm going to be rubbing it around in red eyeshadow so that it will get a red tint to it, so that it'll kind of look like it's already bloody, so that when I apply the fake blood there won't be too many white spots showing still. And now I'm applying glue to that open area so that I can go ahead and start sticking these pieces of cotton onto that. And you will need to rip off pieces of the cotton. Don't just stick the entire piece of cotton on, or it won't look right when you finish. And yes, I will be taking the glue and cotton and going over my lip area. It's non-toxic glue, so it's not harmful to my face. Once you're finished applying the cotton, you will need to add a generous amount of fake blood, and I'll be using spray blood, and I'll be using my fingers to help me kind of pull it through each piece of cotton and dab it around my face so that it looks a little more blended. And here is the finished product, guys. There was still a few white spots, so I did take my fake blood and spray a little more, but I absolutely loved it. Everyone that's seen it loved it, and I would definitely recommend doing this. It's a very affordable and very fun look. These are the final pictures that I took. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, I will post the glam look in the description, but thank you and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.